Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, where we're featuring our 6th generation Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. If you followed along, you may have seen our previous video of picking up this runner and building it out in 24 hours to get it to where it's at right now. At the current state, it's on some King shocks all around with compression adjusters, CAMBURG kinetic uniball upper control arms, our OEM Toyota rear lift springs, a Westcott Designs roof rack in standard matte black up top, some Baja Design XL linkables on the rack, Baja S2 Pro ditch lights, and an S-Pod Bantam X to power them on. It already has some RRW glass black RR7H wheels on it with some 35-inch Toyo Open Country MTs, but by the end of this video, we'll be putting on some 38 by 13.5 tires. Keep on watching to see the details. And if you looked at the title, it's pretty obvious. We're throwing on some Portal Axles by 74 Weld, and these are the bad boys right here. For the phase 2 of this build, as you can see, we've already installed an Addictive Desert Designs Stealth center mount front bumper with bull bar and added their ADD skid plate. For extra lighting, we installed a 20-inch Baja Design S8 light bar in amber. In the bumper, some Baja Design S2 SAE fog lights, also in amber. And for recovery, we installed a Warn VR Evo tennis winch in the front end with the ADD capture fair lead and hook. The CAMBURG Kinetics in blue were not in stock when I did phase 1 of the build, but since then, it has come in. We're swapping out the upper control arms and throwing the used gray ones onto my coworker's 4th gen Tacoma. Yes, 4th gen Taco and 6th gen 4Runner uses the same UCA. We're also installing the King Blue rear trailing arms on here as well. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in sunny Southern California, in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. Now that the new bumper and cool stuff in the front end has been installed along with the trailing arm and upper control arms, we're gonna now install the 74 Weld Portal Axles. With these portals, you are basically re-gearing, increasing ground clearance, increasing clearance for larger tires, and adding 10 extra levels of badassery, all with a single product. And like we said, there's room for more tire. Here are some 38 13.5 by 17 needle trail grappler MT tires that we're bead locking on the RRW RR7H flow-formed wheels. Here, our tech is removing the factory rear axle shafts. The 74 Weld kit does come with the 4340 heat-treated rear full-float axle shafts that we're going to be installing in place of it. And here are the rear billet 4-gear Portal Axles installed. We also need to extend the wires for the sensors for the rear brakes with the included parts, along with installing a caliper relocation kit to fit the new brake rotors that come in this kit. Over to the front end, the billet spindle has been installed with the front 4-gear Portal Axles. There's a 22% gear reduction at the hub, which allows for you to run a larger tire without causing excessive stress on your factory front CVs. The kit also does come with new brake rotors, and the caliper is relocated to the lower side. These portals will be working hard, so we need to install breathers on all 4 of them. The front 2 runs up into the engine bay with a catch can mounted up there. The rears run together to a catch can mounted up high in the wheel well above the liner. All 4 38s have been mounted, balanced, and bead locked. It's now time to bleed the brakes. We put the caliper back to its factory natural sitting position to do that, starting with the caliper that's farthest from the booster first. Once that is done, we add the recommended 10 ounces of gear oil to each gearbox of the Portal Axle. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. One more thing we have to do is top off the rear differential. For now, we're ready to throw on the new 38-inch tires and see what type of cutting we need for full clearance at full articulation. Our tech is seen here topping off the rear differential. With the 4Runner having only 750 miles, it hurts just a little bit to have to cut it up like this. But hey, it's well worth it. We previously installed the standard Westcott roof rack on here, so we took it off and installed the new gloss black Westcott Low Pro rack to match the other gloss black accents that the TRD Pro comes with. I personally like it since it matches the gloss black over fenders much better and the other accents on here. What do you think? I did the same to my 4th generation Tacoma TRD Pro with the help of Jeff and Jessica from Westcott Designs. Next, we're also going to be installing the rear hatch ladder. This one is also from Westcott Designs that he did for me in gloss black. You know I gotta have my widow ladder. I also had my rear glass molly panels from Westcott to mount up in gloss black and mounted the new Waterport 5-gallon tank on it. I have kids and boy do I use these Waterports so often. And a quick shout out to Curtis from Durobumps. Thank you very much for sending me those rear bump stops. And this is going to pretty much wrap it up for phase 2 of my 4Runner build. Make sure to subscribe so you can see an updated video of this 4Runner when phase 3 drops. I have some Banks Power engine mods I want to show you, an exhaust from AWE that I'm going to be throwing on, some more lighting to help out with the night runs, more skid plates and armor, more recovery goodies, a cool ARB compressor setup that I have planned for it, and a whole lot more that I want to share with you in the next video. So for now, please enjoy some rolling shots. Take care of yourself and each other. Hope everyone has an amazing holiday and have a safe and wonderful new year.